Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the screen bleeding issue in the POCO F3 GT device. So just yesterday, I did upload a couple of videos on the screen bleeding issue which is going on in this phone, and there's actually a solution. Yes, few of the users did mention in the comments as well, and thanks to all who did mention the comment. So the only one thing you can actually do is that whenever you face this kind of screen bleeding issues in the POCO F3 GT, you just need to restart your phone. That's it. So once you restart the phone, the complete screen bleeding will be gone. Yes, I'll try to show you the proof as well right now in front of the camera. So how it is before and how it is after, you'll be able to understand. And don't worry about this thing. So sometimes it actually happens, this kind of long press on the buttons, as you can see. So which I did mention in the before videos. Sometimes, as you can see friends, it's kind of long pressing every time. So it's kind of different issue which I thought of mentioning in another video, but when I thought of making a video, I did not get this kind of problem. So right now let me just show you exactly the application which I'm trying to use in this kind of demonstration. Try to open the application which I'll be able to test every time. So let me try to open this application, and it is a screen test. So here let me try to show the last color. So this is where we'll be able to see some kind of different colors happening in this area exactly. Yesterday we did notice some kind of different colors in terms of the screen bleeding issue. Right now I did not use any kind of game or any kind of screen enhancement boosters. So let me to open the Battlefield's mobile gameplay. So before and after, I'm trying to exactly show you what is happening. So right now this is the screen enhancement features. Everything is turned on. As you can see, I'm trying to come out of the game. Exactly, as you can see friends, clearly it came out of the game. And let me try to open this application exactly, and let's see what will happen this time. Can you actually see any kind of bleeding or not? As you can see, now you can actually see the bleeding did happen a little bit. If I try to turn off the lights, now you will be able to see it more. As you can see friends, in this section you can see this kind of black bleeding issue a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is that sometimes the bleeding will be happening more, sometimes you can actually see a little bit less only. So it depends upon the user. As you can see right now, you can see a little bit. So before there is nothing. Now let me try to restart the phone. I'll try to reboot the phone, and let's see. So I just want to demonstrate in front of the camera only. So once you restart your phone, will the problem of the screen bleeding will be fixed in the POCO F3 GT or not? So that is what my main point of making this kind of video, because a lot of users are actually worried about this kind of issue. So the only thing is that this is a temporary solution which we got. So maybe POCO might step in and they might update, maybe in the next software update they might fix. But right now this is a temporary solution which we got. So you need to reboot the device to avoid the screen bleeding in this unstoppable phone which is a POCO F3 GT. Now let me to open the same application without changing any brightness, nothing. I'm directly opening the application only to demonstrate the same thing. Same color, last color we'll try to show you. As you can see, now it was fine. Now there's no bleeding. You cannot see any kind of bleeding happening anywhere, not even small, nothing. As you can see friends, exactly before it used to happen in this area, but now there is no screen bleeding. As you can see friends, this is a live demonstration which I showed you in front of the camera. So there is a solution. Only thing is that you need to reboot your device. That's it. Once you restart, so your problem will be solved in the POCO F3 GT. Let me just show you the phone as well. So because I did turn off the light, so that is the reason you may not be able to see it, what phone it is. But it's a POCO F3 GT only friends, not other phone. Only POCO F3 GT I'm trying to show you. As you can see exactly, this is what happens. So you should not be worried at all friends, in case if you're facing this kind of screen bleeding issues in the POCO F3 GT. So don't worry, just restart the phone and the problem will get 100% fixed. Not 100%, maybe 99% it may get fixed. And in my case, it got fixed. As you can see, 100% there's no screen bleeding at all. So if there's a screen bleeding, we would have got a clear idea what is happening before and after. That is the reason. From step by step, I started to show you. So before using the option, and after using the enhancement booster, and after resetting the phone as well, step by step. So you know exactly what is happening. So you should not be worried at all. Even though in case if still you are seeing that screen bleeding issue, the POCO team, they did mention that try to factory reset and check. There is a lost option you're having. So even after the restarting the phone, still you're having the screen bleeding in this POCO F3 GT, try to do the factory reset once, please. So make sure to back up all your data before doing the factory reset. So just try to check. So even if you're having still the screen bleeding is there, maybe you can apply for the replacement. That is what the reply POCO team did message few of the users. So thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to stay tuned by subscribing and following me, because you'll be getting latest updates on the POCO F3 GT in the future as well. So don't forget to check the playlist as well for more information. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.